Welcome to a demo of the SEO landing page generator. We've developed this plugin to make it easier for users to create location-specific landing pages without the need of having to maintain the content of each and every landing page. So we're basically automating the process of creating those landing pages with the help of a database that contains every city in the United States. Those are about 50,000. And we're doing all this with the help of so-called template pages that I'll get into later. First, I would like to browse through the settings of the plugin very quick. So we go down here to SEO Landing Page Generator Settings. And here you can add a default phone number and then toggle off some content panels that I will get into later. And you can also configure the XML sitemap that the plugin creates. This is the sitemap that you want to submit to Google later on to make it easier for Google to crawl your site. So let's assume we're running a restoration business and we would like to add a flood cleanup service. So to do that, I would go to Template Pages, Add New, and we call up our service flood cleanup. Okay, now I've already got some demo content prepared right here. And as you can see, I have a shortcode placed in this content. A shortcode is basically just a placeholder that will be replaced with content later on when we render the page. So in this instance, it will be replaced with the city and the state name. And we've got a whole bunch of different shortcodes here that you can add to your content. But for time's sake, I won't get into all of these right now. If you like, you can download this plugin for free on intellisoftplugins.com and then, go through all the different shortcodes if you like. Okay, now that I've added my content, I publish the template page. And now I need to determine which locations I would like to create landing pages for. So to do that, we just click on SEO Landing Page Generator down here. And now we've got a list of all 50 states in the United States. And let's assume our business is in Florida. So we click on Florida. And now these are all the counties in Florida here. And if our business is in Bay County, we click on Bay County. And let's say we want to create landing pages for all the cities in this county. So with this check mark up here, we can select all the cities and hit Save Changes. Now in the background, the plugin is creating one landing page per city, and this might take a few seconds. Okay, now that this is done, we can click on landing pages, and as you see, we got exactly one landing page for each city we've selected. So let's just view the one for Springfield here, and as you can see, this landing page uses the exact content I've just entered into the template page for the flood cleanup service. And then it adds to the title the city name, state, zip code, and phone number. And you can also see down here the shortcode we've had in our content is now replaced with the city name and state name. So let me go back here. And let's say my business gets a lot of phone calls from the city of Springfield, and I would like to add some specific content to just further advertise in that city and to just flesh out my landing page a little bit. So I would just click Edit on this landing page, and you'll see two panels here. The first one is large market content, and it's basically just content for larger markets that we want to advertise for. And just like with our other plugin, the SEO Content Randomizer, we have the options of adding several content blocks here. I will just add one for demo's sake. Okay, so this would be, of course, you would probably want to expand on this content a bit more. But this would be specific content just for this city. And another nice feature is we can add local images right here. So I'll add first local image. So since we're advertising flood cleanup, might as well add some flooded areas. Okay, I've got 3 images added. Now to display those images in our content, I would just take this shortcode here and I would go back to the first block we've created and I paste the shortcode into that block. So now that we have this block set up, I just need to take the shortcode for this entire block and I would have to add this to the template page. So now before I leave the page, I hit update. I go back to the template page, to my service, and I add the shortcode right after the first paragraph here. So, and now this works for every landing page since we've added this to the template. So if I would add more content to, let's say, another city, more large market content, it will also be displayed on the landing page. So I hit update here. I go back to the landing pages and view Springfield. Okay, and now you see this is our template page content here with the added specific content for Springfield and one of the local images we've added. Now if I refresh the site, just as with the SEO content randomizer, it would randomly rotate through those images. Okay, so let's go back a bit and let's pick, let's say, Parker in Florida. If we view this page, you'll see there is no content added here because we haven't added content for Parker. So if we would do that, hit update and view the page. Now we see specific content for Parker right here in between our template page content. Okay, let me go back again. And let's say we've added a new branch to our business and I wanted to create landing pages for that branch. So I go back here. Let's say we added that in Georgia. Click on this and say Bacon County. That sounds fun. Go to Bacon County and say we want to advertise in these 2 cities here. Hit save changes. Okay. If we go back to landing pages, we'll see the 2 cities right up here and we can view them just as with the other ones, and that's all set up. Now to finish off, I would like to show you a page that once you install the plugin is automatically created, and that's the sitemap page. If I view that page, I'll see all the states that I have active landing pages in. So let's go to Florida. Now it will show me a list of all the services or all the template pages I've created. Since that's just one, we just have the flood cleanup here. So once we select the service, it will show us all the counties we have active cities in. That's just, of course, one. We click on the county, and then we get an overview of all the cities, of all the landing pages we have created in that county here. And this is, of course, great if Google wants to index your site it will have everything right in this place here, everything just linked together in a nice overview. So I hope you enjoyed this demo, and again, feel free to test out the plugin under intellisoftplugins.com. Thank you.